Hi, I'm Paul Modiano from Logical Developers. Here at Logical Developers, we've been using ASP.NET and SQL Server technologies to develop quality solutions for our customers. We also have made use of rapid application development tools such as IronSpeed Designer and tools from Telerik and DevExpress. After the announcement that IronSpeed would be shutting its doors, our customers who were IronSpeed developers told us that they wanted some way to quickly and efficiently move their applications to a supported platform. We responded by developing a means of migrating IronSpeed Designer applications to ASP.NET MVC. To demonstrate how our converter works, let's start out with a simple IronSpeed Designer application. This one, called Address Book, is based on a database containing a single table of the same name that you see before you. The IronSpeed Designer 9.2 application has 4 pages. The Show Address Book table page that lists the records as well as add, edit, and show record pages. When we run the application, this is what we see. Our Show Table page comes up, and you can see that there is a Show Record button, which leads to a Show Record page, an Edit Record button, which allows you to edit the record, all standard IronSpeed stuff, and of course Delete Record button. So here are our 4 pages in IronSpeed. Now, before we run our application through our MVC converter, I want to point out that if we look at the converted content folder of MVC converter, it is empty. There's nothing in there. I wanted to show you this so that you can see what it fills it with later. So let's start the MVC converter now. And here it is. It's asking me, first thing, what is the database that you want to use? So I'm going to select the address book database. It's going to say what are the XML files for each of the different pages. So add record page, I find the IronSpeed XML file for that and I select it. And I'll do the same for the edit page, the show page, and the show table page. And finally, it wants to know how to label things, and the way we do that is we point them to the resource file that IronSpeed created, and we tell it to generate. Okay. If we now take a look at our converted content folder, you can see that it has a folder called Address Book, which will lead us to the actual MVC project, and controllers, model, view, and the stored procedures that it needed to make, which it actually ran on our SQL Server and added already. Let's look at the address book folder that it created. And let's look inside address book within there. And here is our MVC application that should behave just like the corresponding IronSpeed Designer application that we saw. Let's open it up and take a look. So let's take a look at our Solution Explorer. You can see that all the files and folders for our address book application as imported from the IronSpeed application are listed there. And let's try running it. First thing we'll do is we'll start running. We're going to get this initial error until we add the address book to the URL. And you can see we have our index page, and that has all the same button names that were extracted from the resource file. You also have the details page, you have the edit page, all resembling what they looked like in IronSpeed Designer, and of course the delete button. So this is a way that we can make it easy to import the vast majority of an IronSpeed Designer application into ASP.NET MVC, which is, of course, most importantly, a supported medium. For more information on how we can help you migrate your IronSpeed application to ASP.NET MVC, please please contact us at logicaldevelopers.com. Thanks for watching.